Hi guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how I achieve this gorgeous natural looking mini twist hairstyle using Daixi Dreadology Kinky hair extension from Jaja Hair. So to start off with the hair, I got my extension ready. So if you want to get this hair extension, you'll see the link to getting it in the description box. So the bag came with 3 bundles in it. You can get the hair, different colors, different lengths between 6 to 22 inches. Even if you want any inches longer than that, it's going to be available. Just check the link in the description box. So inside of the pack, you have 3 different dreadlock pins, rat tail comb, and of course, your natural hair. I love this hair so much because the hair is so soft. It's natural, like it looks like my natural hair. Like I don't even know how to say it. It looks like my natural hair. So I even like the length because I went for 12 inches and it gives really good volume. It's very soft on your skin. And when you pair it to your hair, man, it looks like your hair. I'm not gonna lie. And if you want this hair, you can go for any colors. You have the gold, you have the brown, you have black, whatever color you like, you see them in the description box from the link in the description box. And yeah, to start off with your hair, you need to wet it. So when you wet the hair, it makes it relax. So if you want to start, after wetting your hair, try to section it in bits and place it somewhere where you can easily reach it, just like I am doing in this video. After doing that, try to subsection your hair, like make it in different sections. For my hair, I section it into a total of 5 parts. The first part was from the back, from one end of my ear to the other ear. After I sectioned that, I used styling gel to give it a defined look. Even if I was not seeing the back of my hair, I just used my sensor gun. So if you want to do DIY, I think you should use your sensor gun to get your parts right. All right, so you can use mirrors as well to achieve a clean look because you can't see your hair from the back, so you just need the help of a mirror. So, like I said, I sectioned my hair into 5 different parts, one at the back, the other 2 in front of my head, and then just the way I'm doing is 2 following it and one at the back. After sectioning it, I made sure to prep my hair by applying oil and my styling products. So I started off from the back, got the first section extension. I used my hair as a third leg when I was braiding from the root of the hair, after which I braided for like 4 to 5 times. Then I turned my hand and started to twist. So I divided one of the third leg into 2 and spread it in the other 2 legs and started to twist. One thing I would like to tell you is not to twist too tightly because you don't want your hair to be standing like standing fan. So twist very lightly as you can. I finished up with the first section and I was happy with my result. The hair is giving, like you can see. The sun was just shining on my head and I was like, oh wow. I made sure to finish the first 3 sections of the hair from the back. This was the first day of the hair. And if you want to know, I made this hair for 2 days. First day I started in the afternoon. Second day I continued from the in the afternoon rather, because I had other things to do. And yeah, if you want to do DIY, just expect to do it for probably 2 days, except you start in the morning. So I finished up with the back, and this is how it is looking. Even without having to dip it in hot water, it was already relaxing. Yes. So this is the next day. This is how far I went for the back part on the first day. And I'm just showing you because I've not put it in hot water, it was showing muscles. Anyway, so I subsection my hair from the front And the front part, for each half, I section like 13 rows. If you feel like 13 rows is too much, you can do 10. So like I said before, ensure to wet your hair because it makes it relax. It makes it relax. It makes it submit to you. You understand? So tried another pattern by braiding my hair before adding the extension, just to see how it's going to look. And it was giving me the kind of vibe that I wanted. And yes, I continued, I persisted until I got to the end because this hair, I was just imagining how the hair is going to look when I finish it because the hair is so natural, so soft, so friendly to your skin. And why not? See how I was flexing the hair even before finishing it. And guys, check out this hair. Just good. Check out this hair. How is it looking? Tell me. All right, just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is this the type of hair you would like to try, even if you don't want to do DIY? Would you like to try mini twists, even without putting it in hot water? See how it's giving volume. It is giving volume, and it is giving the trendy vibe that you want to see. I so much love this hair, guys. It is so full. So I went ahead to section it and it was time for me to put it in hot water. Just look how the hair matches with my hair texture. You wouldn't even tell where my hair ended or where my hair started, or you can't even distinguish my hair from this hair. Did I say distinguish or distinct? Oh my god, English is failing me. Guys, see this hair. So after putting it in hot water and it was giving me that natural protective lightweight mini twist that I want with low maintenance, I trimmed the edges and this is the finished look. This, I say again, is the finished look. Guys, after finishing your hair, please ensure to either put oil on the hair or you add hair mousse or hair anything that you think you have. Just add it to the hair and you enjoy it. One thing I love about this hair, or let me say, other things I love about this hair is that it gives you a stunning look. This hair is very low maintenance. Yeah. It helps you to grow your hair. Like if you are looking to increasing the length of your hair, when you make this hair, there's nothing like I want to brush it, I want to comb it, I want to stretch it. Mm-mm. Once you have made it, you are off with stress. No more stress. All you just need to do is style it as any type that you want. Style it whatever way you want. It will still give you that beautiful look. More so, this hair is lightweight. Guys, it didn't even feel like I was having anything on my hair. I tried to show you different ways to style your hair. You can do it half up, half down. You can do it all back. You can decide to do it, put it in a bun, or you can put it in a ponytail, whichever way you want to do it, guys. Guys, you will enjoy this hair. So the moment I made this hair and I was rocking it, people kept on asking me, which hair did you use? Which hair did you use? Which hair did you use? And now, I won't stop. I won't stop but to share the link because why won't I help a sister? Why won't I help a sister in need? Guys, hurry up to the comment section and grab the link to getting this hair. This is the trending hair on TikTok, on YouTube, on social media, on what's it called, Instagram, and every other social media platforms. Just write trending hairstyle, and you will see that this is a trending hairstyle. And of course, if you want to achieve it, why won't you do it with Kinky hair extension from Daixi Dreadology? Guys, hurry up to the link and do all that you know how to do. Okay? Guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And for as many that are new on this channel, hi, pardon my manners. The excitement from this hair overwhelmed me that I did not remember to say hi. My name is Nelly, and on this channel, we do hair videos, hair tutorials, DIY, and everything to make you look as beautiful as possible. Okay? So I'll let you watch the video and I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, bye.